guys believe that Vicky James is the one doing my dress for me?
Hello, my birthday tomorrow. You go out for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I take by default.
I'm giving myself a treat because it's a holiday. Hello, hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Benyiwaa. If this is your first time chancing by, hi darling, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hi my love, what's good, what's going on, what's popping? Okay, welcome to a new vlog. So this is like a preparation vlog. We are in August and I'm an August born, so I'm planning on doing like birthday shoots. Okay, this is my first time doing like a professional birthday shoot. This video is just the prep of my birthday shoot. This year, like, I'm celebrating like a very unique year in my life. So even though this year is not the best for me, like, I really wanted to keep my birthday really cool, so I am planning everything. Do you guys believe that Vicky James is the one doing my dress for me? Yeah, anyways, so my Vicky James is doing my dress for me. So today I'm going for fitting. Today is 5th August and it's currently 9:58. Going to my Vicky James. I'm going to show you guys Vicky James very soon. You guys think I'm lying, but I'm going to get there. Okay, today is Monday and then the shoot is on Wednesday and I'm not doing a fitting, like my first fitting. Yes, so I'm just hoping everything goes on well. I'm planning on relaxing my hair today as well. The style I want to do will require me to relax my hair. Like, my hair is already relaxed, but it's been a while I relaxed my hair. Like, I've been keeping my hair like this for quite some time because I'm treating my hair and trying to grow my hair. So I will have to go relax today. I'm planning on doing that today. If I'm unable to do that today, we'll do that tomorrow. But hopefully we are able to do that today. Okay, then I'll fix my nails tomorrow and I'm so excited. I had to actually, I need a wig for my hair. I need to get extensions for my hair, like the hairstyle I want to do. I need an extension for that, but I haven't got it yet. But fingers crossed, I am planning on buying it tomorrow, hopefully. I was planning on going to the market, but it will just be a waste of money, and then so I'll just get a place around here and then get it. This is the agenda for today. This is my outfit. I wanted to show you guys my outfit, but because I really like the way it is, like, it is so modest and nice and everything. I love my dress. I'm having for breakfast today. I hope you guys can see it. It's been a while I had breakfast. I've intentionally been doing intermittent fasting because I wanted to reach a particular goal for my birthday, like with my body, in terms of my body. So I actually transitioned from a particular body to what you're seeing right now. Okay, today is a holiday, guys. 5th August. If you're a Ghanaian, you know today is a holiday. So I'm giving myself a treat because it's a holiday. Okay, yeah, so today I decided to eat. So I'm eating just these fries. So enjoy this vlog. Okay, saying that birds of the same feathers flock together. Tell me why. I'm coming to see my bestie and I'm using an umbrella because it's hot and everyone is looking at me. And then I'm about to see here now. I see someone coming. Guess what? It's an umbrella. Birds of the same feathers think alike. Okay? Yeah. Whatever that birds of the same feathers says, I have created my own. Okay? All great minds think alike. I see you all, my bestie. No, thank you. My bestie. This is how you get to know that this is my bestie, because how come you're thinking alike? Got it. Come and feel my back. Okay, let me tell my back. Hey! Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up your phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you? Hi guys, so you guys know this sound where the person says my birthday tomorrow? Like, everything the person is asked, the person will say my birthday tomorrow. Guess what?
my birthday tomorrow. Okay,
yeah, so I'm going to fix my nails. I'm still prepping. I don't know if I'm going to post the photo shoot video first or the prepping video first. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going to fix my nails now. I'm done with the photo shoot. Today is 12th of August, so that means my birthday tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I'm going to fix my nails with my friend. Please book her, okay? Today I realized that she has posted that you people should book her so that she can celebrate my birthday for me. So please book her, I beg. I'm going to leave her social media handles on the screen. So please do well to book my girl, okay? Yes. Sorry, the place is noisy. I'm by the roadside, so it's going to be noisy. So as when I finish with my nails, I will go and fix my lashes. I am booking an appointment with someone, but she's saying she only has slots available after 6 p.m. I don't know if I can make it, but regardless, let's see what happens. Okay, if I'm able to make it, I'll let you guys know. So that's all I'm doing for today. I woke up in a very good spirit, so I'm really happy today. I don't know, I wasn't really feeling my birthday initially. Like, this whole year has been a lot of mixed feelings. I don't even know what to say, but right now I think I am okay. I woke up very happy, so I'm just hoping that I maintain the same energy for tomorrow. I thank God for that. So morning. Sorry guys, I got a bit distracted. So that's the spirit I woke up with. So I'm hoping to like end my day like that, and then probably carry it to tomorrow, God willing. This is going to be the first time I'm fixing like individual lashes. I'll take you guys through the day, so let's go fix my nails, okay? Say hi to my vlog. Hi. Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. Hi guys, so I'm done with my nails. This is how it's looking. I'm going to leave the inspo on the screen, okay? I laugh. Please patronize my girl, I beg, be cool, so that I can chop my birthday. Okay. Thank you. I see my nail tech. Guys, I really love my nails, so I'm going to fix my lashes. I'll let you guys know when I get there. Acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a pic. Acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this. Look at my face. Yeah, see your face. Look good. Is it nice? Well, why are you asking? It's bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you. Hi guys, good evening. So I just got back from my lash appointment, and as you can see, the lashes are fire. I love them. Okay, and my nails, oh my god, I think my friend is doing really good. If you haven't booked her yet, please do well to book her. Okay, I want to celebrate my birthday tomorrow, so be cool. Please book my friend. I beg, okay? Please, you guys should book her. She's really good. She's not a pro, but with the kind of nails she's doing now, I think the number of years or anything does not count when it comes to being a pro at something, okay? Because she's doing extremely well, and I love it. See my nails. So by now you guys have seen the inspo and everything, so I really love the nails. So please do well to book her, okay? Yeah, so tomorrow is my birthday. I do not want to make this video long. Actually, this video was supposed to be like my photo shoot prep, but actually it's like my birthday prep, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Like this video and share this video to anyone or everyone. I was so grateful. That would be like a birthday gift for me. So please share this video for me, okay? I love you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works.